crazy. Okay, so what I missed? I was busy recording this thing. You're very light.
Yeah, so we have multiple different families of triggers. So we have our enhanced duty series, which is going to be your mil-spec upgrades.
Okay.
For us, it just means that they're a little bit heavier. So these right now are coming in at a 5.5 pound bolt. We also have a 4.5 pound version over here. Every trigger comes with 2 sets of springs. So you can choose 4.5 or 5.5. The HiperTouch series with these added springs up top, what that is our cam over toggle engine. So that allows us, when it's in its reset position, to act like a compound bolt. It's relieving sear pressure to allow a lighter trigger pull, but you can still use heavier trigger springs. So when that system cams over, it adds about 15 to 20% more kinetic energy than a mil-spec trigger. So no more light primer strikes, and you can still get those low pull weights.
Now, is it only for the AR platform, or do you have also on the AK platform too?
So we are working on an AK trigger, but for right now, everything we make is just on the AR. Yep.
It's very light.
This one right now is coming in at 5.5. So all of these share the same sear geometry as this trigger, it just doesn't have the 2 added springs up top.
So what's the price point?
So the EDT series are all $99, and then it goes up from there to $200, $225, $225, $250, and $275. And the new PDI models that we just came out with yesterday are $180.
It's kind of interesting because I'm so used to that hard hitting.
Yep.
Here, you know.
That's another nice piece about this system is that because of the fact that it's relieving that sear tension here, once that trigger breaks, it actually starts off slow and speeds up through. So it's the same amount of time, but it reduces the amount of jump that you have from a lot of mil-spec triggers. When you pull and that break finally happens, the hammer immediately speeds up and causes a light jump. These don't do that.
So any plans for also drop-in triggers?
Yep, so that's what this new one is. Yep, so that's our new PDI model. When they actually ship to stores, this is a super mirror color, so it'll actually be a bright gold, titanium nitride coating, and then rose gold LED, also a black.
And these are what's the price on these one again?
180.
108. That's actually
180
nice.
MSRP.
For a drop?
Yep. There are some drop-ins out there that are up in that 350-pound range or $350 range.
Yeah.
But most of the big sellers, the people who sell a lot, are that sub 200 range. So for us, you know, with our manufacturing costs and stuff like that, we figured why would we gouge people when we can make a great trigger and make it $180? So.
I think I found my next trigger.
Yeah.
I like this.
So that right there is actually a new drop test notch as well. So that's what makes it drop safe. The real sear is actually down here. So that's where you're pulling from. But in a rare situation where you were to drop it, these already passed SAMI drop test specifications, and we're working on getting mill tests. So basically, if you drop it and that hammer drops, it'll catch on that second notch and not go off.
Nice.
And even if you pull the trigger from here, that's not enough to ignite the primer.
So I'm sorry. So these are already out in the market, or
no? So we just released these yesterday. Okay. They're available for pre-sale now. For individual sales, they'll be available after SHOT Show on our website. Deliveries will happen by the end of March.
Nice. Okay.